Alright you guys, so today's unit comes from IUZ hair. So it does come with a hanger, and you actually just stick the hanger piece up through the opening, and then they have the clasp right here inside so you can hang your wig up and basically just take care of it pretty well. It's a very nice way to package your unit, so that way you could just hang it up in your closet, and that way you can have a long lifespan. And then they also threw in two wig caps. One is darker, one is lighter, which I really appreciate. And now we'll get into the big girl. We have the wig here. It is a beautiful highlight brown unit, so you have some highlight blonde pieces in the front as well as towards the end, and then the rest of the unit is more of a milk chocolate brown. This is a very well made unit, and it is a T-part lace, so you won't have to do so much to it. All you'll need to do, if you feel like it's necessary, is pluck the unit, and since it's already highlighted in the front as well as a light brown, the knots do not need to be bleached. This unit does come pre-plucked, you guys, but if you feel like you need it, of course you can pluck it a little bit more. They do give you enough lace space to be able to do that right there in the front, just to make it look as natural as possible. So in the inside, we also have two combs, one right here on the side as well as on the other side, and then you have your piano elastic band in the back. You can adjust it to where you would like. There's 3 different slots, and then it also is adjustable in how tight you want it to be. I love these type of elastic bands because it adds a little bit more security, and then you can also just form it to how you want on your head. And then you also have a comb in the back as well as some adjustable straps, so you could do a lot of adjustments to this wig to get it fitting exactly how you want it to. So now we'll get the lace cut off, and then we'll get the unit installed. So once I took the unit out of the packaging, pretty much I was like, I can tell I'm really gonna like this wig just because of how it's made and the color, and I actually really do like it. So if you guys are interested in this unit, make sure you check out my description bar below. I have the link for the direct wig. The color is just everything. I love the brown fade into the blonde. It's a very effortless install. The lace is very natural. You don't have to do much to it. You didn't have to pluck it if you don't want to. I think I said that earlier, but I did pluck it, but it does come pre-plucked. And also that elastic band in the inside just gives so much security to this wig. So you can adjust it how you need it to feel or how you need it to fit. It fits so good that you don't even need any glue to wear it. Like, I felt like it was very secure, like it wouldn't do any sliding, any adjusting, anything like that at all. So yeah, you guys should definitely try out this wig. Make sure you check out my description bar below for that direct link.